improve your vocabulary for SBI, IBPS, RBI and other bank exams? Here are 10 most known words with synonyms, antonyms and example. Let's get started. The first word is eloquent, which means fluent or persuasive in speaking and writing. Synonyms: articulate, expressive, persuasive. Antonyms: inarticulate, hesitant, mute. Second, prudent, which means wise and careful in decision making. Synonyms: sensible, cautious, thoughtful. Antonyms: reckless, careless, rash. Diligent, which means hardworking and careful. Synonyms: hardworking, industrious, dedicated. Antonyms: lazy, careless, negligent. Fourth, affluent, which means wealthy or financially well off. Synonyms: rich, prosperous, wealthy. Antonyms: poor, needy, destitute. Fifth, lucid, which means clear and easy to understand. Synonyms: clear, understandable, transparent. Antonyms: confusing, complicated, vague. Sixth, altruistic, which means selfless and concerned for others. Synonyms: selfless, charitable, generous. Antonyms: selfish, greedy, self-centered. Seventh, scrutinize, which means examine carefully. Synonyms: inspect, analyze, evaluate. Antonyms: ignore, neglect, overlook. Eighth, frugal, which means economical and avoiding waste. Synonyms: economical, thrifty, cost-effective. Antonyms: extravagant, wasteful, lavish. Ninth, redundant, which means no longer needed or useful. Synonyms: unnecessary, excessive, superfluous. Antonyms: essential, necessary, important. 10th, stringent, which means strict and precise. Synonyms: strict, rigid, tough. Antonyms: flexible, lenient, relaxed.